People, so this is my sixth video of the day, and like in my previous video I was I was speaking a little about myself, and in continuation with that I have to say people, as part of my job profile right now where I'm working, I need to ask people what is their proudest achievement, because I need to write about them on my company website. So in that way, if I were to talk of my own proudest achievement, uh, I would say that I had won over 120 prizes in a single year when I was 18. Like 120 prizes in terms of writing related prizes. In fact, all of them sing, because this is because I was counting even these little contests that I would take part in all these magazines. Best letter for the editor, best. And the regular competitions, and because I actually had to sit down and write the number of prizes I won, because it was like I used to just keep going and winning prizes. So it used to be like exhausting. Today I have to go there and collect my prize, there and collect my prize. Yeah, I've actually seen such happy days, and uh, because people. So that was, I think, one of the, like, when I was 18, life was really kind to me, at that point. So yeah, in my next video I'll speak about certain other things that have been important and nice in my life, and YouTube being one of the biggest factors. So on that note, thanks for watching people, and please subscribe.